along with summer comes the chance to wear shorts. Today I am going to show you how to fold those shorts using Marie Kondo's KonMari method as the basis for my folding, and then a few varieties to help you make it work for you, make it easy for you to find what you need in a hurry when you're getting ready. So quite often we just fold this way, and then there they are. With Marie Kondo's KonMari method, we're still going to do that first step the same, but then we're going to make sure we smooth out the creases at every single step. And we have this weird angle here that kind of sticks out, and we're going to just tuck that in. We don't have to put a lot of pressure on. We're not going to worry about it wrinkling as much because we don't have everything on top of each other to create that extra weight that creates those wrinkles. As long as you don't stuff your drawer really tight, you'll be fine. And then the next step would be to either just fold it this way. Give it one extra fold, stand up on its own, and we can see exactly what we have. So when it's standing beside the other ones, if you have a space that is thinner, or you want a couple rows, that will work really well. The other option, if you want, is to fold this in again. And instead of folding it all the way, you're going to fold it part of the way. Make sure you're smooth, and then the last bit of smooth, and that will give you, it stands up. And if you can say you don't need to see the detail, or they're all the same, like these ones are, then it will work really well. If you have a smaller, shorter drawer, you can just do it twice, the full length of it, and then they'll be really short and really long. That may help you with packing, and then you can see what's going on here, the difference. So it is totally up to you which way you prefer. If you want it to look like that, or if you want it to look like that. You can see the difference of which way things look, depending on how I want to fold. And I can slide them over, fit the next one in easily if I want to change how I fold, or add more, and I can just slide them in easily. Or if I'm packing and I need 2 pairs of shorts, it's easy to have the small bundle for packing. If I have different styles of shorts, you can see what's going on. I have my smaller shorts. I know exactly what colors I have. I don't have to go through the pile. Make sure that they're all below this, so that when I shut the drawer and nothing gets caught, I can rearrange the drawer this way very quickly by styles that I wear, and then maybe put the ones I don't wear as much in the background. These are maybe the shorter shorts and the longer shorts. I can put them that way, so that when I open the drawer, I can just open the drawer quick, grab out the first one, do laundry, pull them all forward, and shove that one behind. I have lots of room for other ones. Even that slippery, shiny fabric can be folded this way, and it will stay. I can grab, if you have children, they're going to want to grab one from way back here. I didn't make a mess. It's all good. And you don't have to refold. They don't end up all over the floor. You'll know exactly how many they have when you need to do laundry. When you're packing, you can just grab 3 pairs because we're going for 3 days. And then an extra pair for, maybe to bed or something. Fantastic fun to fold.